Hey guys, and happy 4th of July. Now I have a fast pass for a Toy Story ride. So why am I here at Universal Studios? We'll explain that and a lot more coming up next. Well, you see, my fast pass is not until 5 o'clock. So I gotta do something in the morning, and I wanted to include Nikki.
Yay!
I don't like going too many videos without having Nikki in it, right?
Aw, you're sweet.
So here's the plan for today. This is not a big plan. We're gonna walk around the parks. Nikki has some rocks to hide. She's been painting some cool rocks, and we wanted to hide them, so let's check them out. So you're the artist, Nikki. What you got going on?
All right, so I kind of did a little spin off of Hogwarts, and I made it Dogwarts. Yep, so we've got a Hufflepug, a Ravenclaw Spaniel, a Slytherin Pinscher, and a Griffin Corgi. And then for those cat fans out there, we have Dumperdor. So I just thought it'd be a fun spin on Hogwarts.
All right, Nikki, I think we'll head into Islands of Adventure first.
Cool.
And I think this is the first time we've actually been in a theme park on an actual holiday in forever, right?
I know. The valet parking was so far back. It was crazy. I'm just not used to seeing it. We're spoiled, I guess. I don't know.
We are spoiled. I don't even know if we're going to be able to go on any rides, but let's just go have some fun anyway.
Yeah.
And as you guys can see, they have a little 4th of July decoration going on here. Pretty cool. Well, we are on another theme park adventure, Nikki.
Yes, we are.
Since we're here on a holiday and we're never here on a holiday, let's check out some wait times. Let's start with the Hulk and then Spider-Man.
Yeah, it's 9:20.
9:20 in the morning.
Yeah, so kind of give you an idea.
Right, but they did have early park admissions today, so
oh, man.
This area opened at 8. So we're an hour and 20 minutes after opening. Well, that's not too bad, Nikki. The Hulk is only 20 minutes first thing.
I know, right? That's not bad. Yeah, it's not bad at all. It's awesome.
Spider-Man's only a 5-minute wait for standby. But what's the deal with the express line? Why is it backed up?
That's crazy.
Do we believe this? You want to give it a shot?
Sure, let's try it.
Okay.
Listen, Scope. Crime reports are coming in from all over the city, and I'm starting to get worried. Did you see that? The spider signal. With Spider-Man nearby, trouble can't be far away. And you know what trouble means. Be careful. Nice shade.
We just got off of Spider-Man, only 5-minute wait, so much fun. My favorite part of Spider-Man is like when we get shocked. When we're in for a shock and the electricity comes through the car.
Oh.
My favorite part. What is yours, Nikki?
When they, is it the Green Goblin shoots the fire, the
fireball?
Yeah.
That's a good part. I like that too.
Yeah.
Now, Dr. Doom's only 5 minutes, Nikki. How do you feel about Dr. Doom today? I know it scares you. The only ride in the area that scares you. You're iffy on it. What do you think about today? Yes or no?
How badly do you want to go on it?
I don't need to.
No. Like.
All right. Okay. Then let's just make our way. Let's go get the wait time for the Kong ride.
Okay, I'll do that.
And we'll hide some rocks.
Okay, sounds good.
Well, Nikki, it's July, so how do you feel about water rides today?
You need to prepare me so I wear the right clothes. I'm not wearing denim shorts and riding a water ride because I will be wet the rest of the day.
Okay, well, sometimes I'm a spur of the moment kind of guy.
No, gotta prepare me better than that.
That is true with you. But look at this, Nikki. Look how much fun this ride looks.
Yeah.
Maybe at the end of the day when I'm real hot, we'll come back here and I do it. Maybe not, but look how much fun. It looks like fun. So if anyone out there has a kid I can borrow or rent for the day, actually, you know what? I spend enough money on kids. If you have a kid I can borrow, let me do it so I can go on this ride. Holy smokes, Nikki, Kong is only 10 minutes. You want to do this one too?
Yeah, totally.
All right, I'm surprised based on the wait time we had to get into the park.
I know, right?
About these wait times for the rides. More fun for us, let's go do it.
Yeah.
Nobody move. Don't even breathe.
Well, Nikki, that was a bit of false advertising. That was longer than 10 minutes, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Well, the problem was they started to add another ride vehicle into the system. That took some time, and I think they had some technical difficulties with that because it took a while.
Yeah, it did.
But with that being said, I do enjoy riding the movies. Got a lot of dino slobber on me that time.
Yeah, you were on the edge.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you were blocking me. Thank goodness you're a big guy.
With all that being said, though, Nikki, I am surprised at the wait times being so low today on 4th of July.
I think it might get more crowded as the day goes on though, closer to the evening.
Oh, for sure, for sure.
I mean, supposedly, according to the Orlando Sentinel, they are gonna have fireworks over the lagoon tonight, so, which is different. Normally, you know,
right.
Universal doesn't do anything for the 4th of July, so that's kind of a neat.
That's true, but I don't think I can make that today because I have to head out to Hollywood Studios for my Fast Pass for the swirling saucers.
Would you stop bragging about that? I don't get to go. Stop telling me.
But I am worried about Slinky Dog Dash, the wait time for that, since it is a holiday.
That's true.
So.
Oh well, it's all on you.
We'll see how it goes. Before we head into Hogsmeade to hide your rocks, there's something I need to point out. Hufflepuff, you didn't know how much we tag things. Hufflepuff has been roaming around Jurassic Park. Look where we've tagged the sidewalk. Hufflepuff rules.
Oh goodness.
Okay guys, we've made it into Hogsmeade. Let's check out the 2 rocks Nikki's gonna hide in here. And by the way, if you hide your own rocks, don't hide them on rides or in line queues, please.
Or in shops.
Right. Okay, Nikki, so what 2 are we hiding in here?
So we have Griffin Corgi, which has the Harry Potter kind of little lightning and his little glasses. He also has a hoodie, which I thought was kind of cute. And then we have the Ravenclaw Spaniel for Ravenclaw. So, and he's got the sorting hat.
Cool. All right, so we don't have a plan yet as to where we're going to hide them. So let's wander around and find a couple good spots. That's 1 down, 1 more to go here in Hogsmeade. So Nikki, we're outside the old entrance for Dueling Dragons, and I did a video on what this new Forbidden coaster is going to be like, so go check that out.
Yeah.
It's supposed to be ready about a year from now, believe it or not.
It's awesome.
That soon.
Yeah.
Okay, hiding rock number 2, right near here, the old lockers. Okay, so I just found this out. Now, I don't know everything, but between me and Google, we know everything. And if you look up here, I think every hour in this little clock tower, an owl is going to go out and hoot for you guys. I never knew that, but Google knew forever. So guys, even Hogsmeade is not that crowded today. I confess, I am shocked. So Nikki, I know you're getting hungry. I know one of your favorite dishes is here. Now, what is this called? Can I give you a 3rd chance? What is this?
I'm not
Say it, say it. I will never let you forget. The people watching may forgive and forget.
You're so mean.
You will never live this down.
I know. It's pasties.
Your beef pasties?
No.
What is it? Beef pasties?
Oh, now I forget now. Stop. I said it just a second ago.
What?
Pasties.
Pasties.
Yes, I said it.
She can do it, people. She can learn.
Oh my god.
So Nick, it's a no for pasties today?
Yeah.
And a yes for pizza.
Yes.
Let's get some pizza when we get over to studio side.
All right, my favorite pizza.
Wow. 4th of July morning is the time to come to Universal Studios, Nikki.
Who knew?
Wow.
Crazy.
Well, especially when it's in midweek.
Oh, that's true.
Maybe busier on a weekend, not sure. I don't know, Nick, maybe because 4th of July is like a barbecue kind of holiday.
Yeah.
Barbecue, beach, pool day for Florida, you know?
Yeah.
Maybe that's why. And here we go, making our way into studios. Minions is an 80-minute wait right now. And Shrek is a 30-minute wait. Okay, here comes Marilyn, Nikki.
She's such a cutie.
Now, don't get jealous if she blows a kiss to me, okay?
She waves at me
Only
too.
me. Dang! Rejected! Rejected! It's because you were standing next to me. It scared her off. It scared her off.
No way.
So the wait time for Rip Ride Rocket is 60 minutes, 30 minutes for single riders. And it should be noted, it's shutting down early today, probably because of the fireworks. So Nikki, I know we said we thought the fireworks were going to be by the lagoon, but it looks like they're setting up some area over here for tonight.
Yeah.
I mean, they got the lights hung up and they've got it all decorated, so this could be the viewing spot for the fireworks.
It says, be sure to stick around to see an amazing pyrotechnic display starting at 9 o'clock here at the Music Plaza.
Oh, there we go.
That's what they're doing.
And it also looks like they might be having some musical performances tonight. We'll have to check that out. Of course, I'm heading over to Hollywood Studios for my Toy Story ride, so I'm gonna miss all this. Okay, Nikki, let's head into Louis, get a pizza, fuel ourselves for the rest of the day, you've got 2 more rocks to hide?
Yes, yeah, someone walked up to us and from New York, really sweet lady, and I guess her kids were on the ride. She's like, they're not gonna believe us.
Yeah, I saw you handing out that rock.
Yeah,
and
so I gave her the cat rock, the Dumbledore.
And then we're also gonna hand out another rock?
Yeah, exactly. I had a special request for a SpongeBob, so.
As we listen to the Blues Brothers, the wait time for the Mummy, 25 minutes right now.
So man. All right, let's keep the party going.
Okay, Nikki, so I don't know if these people want to be filmed, so let's go ahead and pause for a moment and let's show the people watching the SpongeBob Patrick rock that you painted, okay?
Sounds good.
Pretty cool, Nikki. You got kind of a yin-yang effect going on there with Patrick and SpongeBob. Good job.
2 best buddies.
Well, Nikki, Louis was as great as ever,
Oh, yes.
but we have some weather moving in. We better go hide these last 2 rocks ASAP. And we're gonna post clues on that Facebook group, UO Rocks Universal. What do we have here, Nick?
So we have Slytherin Pincher and Hufflepug.
My favorite, Hufflepug. All right, let's go hide these, baby. Inside.
Inside there?
Yeah. Okay, Nikki, we are standing outside, actually sitting on the stoop outside of door number 15 here in London. This is where we're going to hide the last rock. Now, I think there's a problem with us hiding rocks. I am very noticeable. Big guy, big yellow shirt. You get stalked all the time, so when you set these rocks down, they don't last long.
No.
You might have to venture out on your own to be hiding rocks.
That's true.
I'm gonna have to
happen.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to stay way in the background because you change your outfit all the time. You're a little less easy to spot.
I think so.
So that might have to be the strategy going forward. Because I know as soon as we get up, this rock is going.
Yeah, but you're a target.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
All right.
a big yellow bird. Big bird.
Okay, let's move on, honey. Okay, did you mind doing your name and stuff?
Yes, Maria Salazar.
Hi, Maria.
Yeah.
You have my whole collection. Oh my god, I'm really meeting you. Yay!
So she was like, she knows me now.
I do. I know who you are. You're famous to me. Give me a hug too. I'm a hugger.
Oh, I'm so famous to us. I have it all up.
All right, see guys, I told you as soon as we stood up, that rock was gonna go, and it did. Okay guys, since we're over here by the Coke Refreshment Center, I'm gonna give a couple shout outs. I'm gonna share a couple Cokes. Now I have a list of you guys that are requesting these shout outs. I'll do 2 at a time. So if you didn't make the list this week, next time I'm here, you'll get a Coke. But for now, here's a Coke for Issa. And now, one for Luke. Thanks for subscribing, guys. And just to keep you guys apprised of the wait times, Men in Black was 10 minutes, as is the Simpsons ride, just 10 minutes.
Oh wow.
Okay, Nikki, we've got this bad weather moving in. We need to head out. I hope it doesn't mess up my Toy Story Land stuff tonight, or the fireworks. Yeah, I don't think, because we have some family stuff planned for fireworks, I'm not going to be able to get the Disney stuff, but as promised, I'm going to do the Toy Story rides and a Toy Story lunch or dinner tonight. Okay guys, I have dropped off Nikki, went home, I've changed my shirt, believe it or not. I've got 3 of these suckers that I rotate around, but we're making our way to Hollywood Studios right now. The weather is looking a little sketchy. Hopefully we get there and the weather's gonna be okay and we can make an attempt on Slinky Dog today. Now I do have a fast pass for the saucer ride, so I know that's gonna happen. And I know we're gonna get a dinner item from Woody's lunchbox. Just crossing my fingers that wait for Slinky Dog is 2 hours or less. Okay guys, we have made it inside of Hollywood Studios. Now, what was I saying about Slinky Dog Dash? So guys, my actual record for waiting in line for a ride is just about an hour, and I did that by accident. I wasn't planning on doing that. So I'm saying if Slinky Dog is under 120 minutes, I'll do it. I know I promised you guys the rides today and a dinner. I don't know if I can do 2 rides if that Slinky Dog is over 2 hours. Kudos to you guys. My hat is off to you who come down here on vacation and wait hours in line for, say, Slinky Dog or the 7 Dwarfs Mine Train or Flight of Passage, but I think that is something I could never do. So as I said, my minimum standard was 120 minutes, 2 hours, and that is exactly what it is. So I'll tell you what, let's go do my fast pass for the saucers. grab a bite to eat, and we'll double check this time after all that. So the standby for the sausage is just 50 minutes, but like I said, I have a fast pass, so let's just go ahead and hop on it. Here we go! Okay guys, so here's what I think about the salsa ride. It's short and sweet. The kids are gonna like it, especially that part that whips you around. I think the kids will like. As a grown up, not that thrilling, but I mean, if you're a 5-year-old, you're gonna have a good time on it. So I will probably go on it one more time just with Nikki until I have grandkids, and then I'll go on it a lot, right? And with that out of the way, time to go get my brisket melt. As promised, a lunch or dinner item to test out for you guys. Now, as far as my sandwich, the barbecue brisket melt, I did have to fish the pickles out of it. I'm not a pickles person. And overall, it was just okay. This food does not measure up to Pandora, but I guess because it's kind of lunchbox themed, maybe it wouldn't. And the raspberry tart was very rich. I actually scraped the icing off of mine so it wouldn't be so rich. But I seriously do recommend the Portal Punch. So the Portal Punch is a must get. So there's actually a pretty long line to have the character meet and greet with Woody and Jesse. But they're having one, and it seems to be very popular. Okay, Slinky Dog is down to 105 minutes. I'm willing to do that. Let's go hit it up right now. I'm with Sam from Canada, and this is our first time on Slinky Dog. So there you go, I just got off Slinky Dog Dash for the first time ever. It's a really fun family ride. I would rank this above the Seven Dwarfs Mine Train in the hierarchy of things. You know, it's not a big thrill ride, but it is great for the family. The little hump part, that's really fun. The little shootout parts, those are fun too. And the couple of big dips that they have. Fun, fun, fun family ride. Alright, so that was just my opinion, saying that it's better than the Seven Dwarfs Mine Train. If you have a different opinion, please let me know in the comments below. If you think I'm crazy for thinking that, let me know. But if you agree, let me know that too. Okay guys, that's going to do it for our Studios Day. Both Universal and Hollywood. Not too bad, right? Now as far as Toy Story Land is concerned, I've done everything there. And Hollywood Studios is my favorite Disney park. So this only adds to it. Like I said, I think Slinky Dog is better than the Seven Dwarfs Mine Train, and we know how popular that is, right? And overall, it's a fun land. The lunchbox is just an okay place to eat, but overall, the land is really fun. It's a nice addition. Check it out when you're here. And with that being said,
I'm David.
Samantha, don't miss the magic, don't miss the fun.
I'm Abby, and this is Alexis, and we're from Utah, and now it's time to relax.
Here we go.